hate when you screw a video up. I do. Anyway, welcome to another one of today's videos. I have a package in from Ryan Engelstead. I believe that's what the name says on here. Yep, Ryan Engelstead. I was not expecting it at all. Root beer. Ceramic root beer. Anyway, if you remember, he sent me a bunch of cool stuff. Sent me this. Sent me this. And he sent me this. Along with this that I featured in my loadout video yesterday. This is a little Valentine thing. I'll be posting a review on this later after this video, probably. So keep an eye out for it. Alright, so I'm gonna package is damaged a little bit. Hope nothing in here is broken. Anyway, I'm gonna take this, that tape. I almost don't want to destroy that. That is beautiful tape. It's a white tiger. Beautiful. I'm so sorry. Wowee. Oh, God. There we go. Let me feel in here. I feel something in here. Feels. Oh. Let's lower you down some. I'm sorry about the burping. I'm drinking root beer, so I'm going to be a little bit gassy. Oh, I see a note. Let's read the note first. Robert, hope you are well. Found you most of a recon and a few other items. Enjoy. Your friend Ryan. You always amaze me, dude. You know that? You're the nicest guy ever. Oh my God. Dude, thank you. Thank you so much. I remember posting a long time ago about wanting a recon, right? Just for childhood's sake, because I used to have one when I was little. And I caught a lot of backlash for it. Let's see. What's this? Dump pouch, it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's a pouch of some kind. Oh, what is that? Outdoor products. I have uses planned for this. It's even got a phone holder. Oh, sweet. I have uses for this thing planned. Oh, awesome. Another pouch. Oh. Ooh, new darts. Men gun. Looks like I got some stuff to review. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Adorable, too. Oh. I'm saving this in the package. I might bring this to school with me tomorrow. That's badass. Thank you. And some pencils and a cross. That's cool. Oh, they're cool looking. I'm reluctant to use these. These are sweet. Oh, God, I love surprises. It's an AARP bag. And once again, a phone holder. Not bad. I like that. That's cool. I got some ideas for this. I'll probably add this to a loadout or something like that. Have it as like a strap to carry my primaries, or say I go to an HVZ game, I'll use this to carry the objectives I get from HVZ. Thank you. Dude. Oh my God. I remember this. I remember asking for one of these. Oh yes. I can finally start my Boom Code collection. It's the Boom Code Far Shot. Yes! Oh, it's cool. It's badass. I love that. Thank you. Whoa, hello. Adventure Force suction darts. Now, of all Adventure Force blasters and most standard Nerf blasters. Oh, sweet. I'm planning a review for something like this, too. Thanks. You just gave me so much to review today. Holy crap. There's these, there's this. Oh. Okay, I'm going to be putting these back. Oh, Recon. Oh. Goodwill for $3.99. That's sweet. That's cool. Oh, dude. You are awesome. I'm so happy right now. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Hi, Odin. Oh. Thank you so much, Ryan. That's... Oh my God. Oh. You can see how happy I am right now. I wish people were as nice as you, man. Dude, you're awesome. I suggest you guys check out his channel. As I said before, it's Ryan Engelstead. He's the, let's see, Thunderdome, Minnesota, I believe. Looking at the tag, the patch. Yes, Thunderdome, Minnesota, I believe. Yeah. You guys need to check that out. He deserves a lot of love. He's also got some great quality videos. Good stuff on there. You guys need to check him out. He deserves the love. As of lately, YouTube's been demonetizing channels that are smaller and stuff like that. I don't like it. I mean, no, you guys don't. So, let's show him some love, help him out, bring his channel up, and get that thing up there. Oh. Thank you so much, man. What are these pencils? Oh, they're Lego Batman pencils. Thank you, man. I love being this happy. It feels so good being this happy all the time. I've been wanting. I've been. Now I get to have a childhood favorite. I even have 2 attachments to complete the recon, which is awesome. I'm never modding it because what's the point of modding it? Excuse me. There's no point in modding something that you've been wanting since, that you haven't had since you were a very young man. Anyway. Root beer. I'm gonna get ready for the next video. I have new stuff to review now. I have Men Gun Darts to review. I've got Adventure Force darts to review. And an almost complete recon. Oh, man. People have, thank you. You're awesome, man. You're awesome. I love you, dude. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching my video. I'm going to get ready for my next review. A little hint, the review is going to be on this. Then this. And this. Then this. Brian, you're awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. And keep an eye out for the next review. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. And Nerf on. And Ryan, again, thank you so much. I wish there were more people like him. Anyway, I'm traveling on. This video's going to get too long. Thank you for watching. And Ryan, when you're watching this, thank you so much. You've made me so happy today. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Our long day at school, and then I come home to something this awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day. And I will be back with you with another review momentarily. Thank you. Goodbye.